You have to go in at a deeper level than just athletics. It's about emotion, your mental process, like whatever you do, it's a timely thing that you need to have down. When I was 8 years old, my friend was having her 9th birthday party, and we were there for a couple hours bowling, and I was like, this is something that I really want to get into. And that next weekend there was a youth tournament, and we bought a bowling ball, some shoes, and I already joined the league the next weekend. With my dad being my coach, it has definitely helped me a lot, because he knows and understands what I need help with, because he's in tight connections with my other coach outside of high school. We can still have fun and still have that father-daughter relationship, as well as the student-coach relationship while we're out on the lanes. For my first 3 years of high school, I went here to Tech High, and since my sophomore year, I've been co-enrolled with Northeast for bowling. But during my junior year, I found out that I could graduate early. I could go through early admission to the St. Pete College in Seminole. It's awesome. I love it. I want to be the best person that I can be academically, and my academics is the most important thing to me. I'm hoping that I get into either Arkansas State or Jacksonville State, because both of them have really great graphic designing programs and two of the best teams in the nation for collegiate bowling, and that's really going to kickstart my career to be a professional bowler as well as a graphic designer. In 2023, I was chosen to be Compass's youth brand ambassador, and the GOAT of bowling, Walter Ray Williams Jr. and his wife, are the owners. I've been able to design my own shirts. We were also able to get our team shirts, and we designed those as well. Being committed to bowling is one of the best things I've done, because I'm already getting scholarship money for college. It was something that really just clicked to me.